and I'm sure all of you, everything was audible, whatever was going on in this room. Yes or no? You are all through awake. Yes or no? You did not lose your consciousness. Yes or no? Huh? But while opening your eyes, at the end, you felt, now, immediately after opening your eyes, you felt as if you had come out from a sleep. Huh? Is it so possible that you absolutely hear everything and you say, oh, this kid is making more noise, ऐसा आपको थॉट भी आती है? फिर बाद में जब आप आंख खोलते हो तो आपको लगता है कि नींद से आया, and you also feel as if सीरियसली बहुत गहरा नींद से बाहर आया. आंख खोलते हो तो आईलिड सेवी भी हो जाती है, और जबकि आपकी माइंड फुल्ली एक्टिव था. ऐसा ना? अभी आप मेडिटेशन में मैं आपको 2+2 = पूछता है या 15 × 15 पूछता है तो आप आराम से बता पाते थे, उतना एक्टिव थे आप. ऐसा ना? फिर भी नींद जैसा था और फ्रेश था. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन erasing your cache memory, and now I have not actually given you full power of that mantra diksha totally. I have just given you a very fraction part, but then because your subconscious mind and your conscious mind is getting relieved out of your own cache memory, which you have filled out of very hard work that you have done in your life, all the hard work and the pains that you have taken in filling up your own cache memory, you erased it today to an extent, and you feel this fresh. If at all you feel that inexplicable sense of pleasantness going on, because you can only remove the cache memory when the system is on. You can't shut down the system and then remove the cache memory. Yes or no? So your mental system has to be awake. Where is your cache memory? In your mental system. So it has to be awake. If I put it to sleep, then what happens? In sleep mode you can't clean the computer. Externally you can, internally you can't do anything. Yes or no? Same fashion. So this is how it actually works, and this is what actually computer feels when you clean it. You understood? It's just you understood my intention. So how to actually clean? You do this more, you get better, and you get actually more. Your efficiency increases at least 100 times or many-fold actually. But then that is the minimum figure. 100 times you can improve your efficiency, memory. And what happens is, as the age advances, if you do this sadhana on your mental framework, as the age advances, your memory power or your capacity to process certain things decreases very fast. Yes or no? So if you do this sadhana, the capacity to process the information actually increases many-fold. And information processing, the capacity increases, I said, it does not actually mean one thing, it also means a negative thing also. It also means, because once you have a higher power processor, it can process anything that you give it, throw at it. Yes or no? It can process good and bad. It doesn't matter. It just does it work. Same fashion, our mind just does it work. When you increase the processing power, you must be very careful what you are actually processing. What you are actually processing. How you actually process is by focusing more on improving yourself, not through adhyatmikata, through aligning your attitude towards your life. More you try to become this so-called adhyatmika, you will not be able to go either in the adhyatmika path or even in the materialistic path. You understood my intention? If you want real benefit, real adhyatmikata, real materialistic success in life, and materialistic success in accordance to my life, in according to my intention or viewpoint, is if you are having happy relationships, if you are happy with your relationships, and even if they are so spoiled, if you are happy about the point that they are spoiled. You understand my intention? You may not always have a happy relationship. But if you can celebrate an unhappy relationship, that is the time you are actually successful in relationships. I think you understood my intention. Because you have, what is a relationship? When two people come together and they have an affinity, attraction or repulsion within them, it is considered as in the framework of relationship. This is happening. Now the point I am trying to tell you is, always two poles cannot attract. There has to be a process of repulsion for maintaining the process of attraction. That is how actually it goes. Because if two separate poles do not repel each other, then two separate poles cannot attract each other. Yes or no? In a magnet there are two poles. But the same poles have a different affinity, the unlike poles have a different affinity. If the affinity is same for like poles and unlike poles, there cannot be equilibrium set. Yes or no? So in our life we come across so many things. Adhyatmikata actually does not mean sitting in meditation for hours together. Adhyatmikata means how best you can make peace with your troubles.